course, sino ba? Spy, for this flag of appreciation and of portrait. Most of all, I would like to express my gratitude to everyone sa OSJPS, starting with our Prosecutor General, Chief Dong Fanulion, all my kasama ng mga chiefs, Chief Mike, Chief Peter, Chief H, si Shrub, and mga DSPs, of course, si Chief Dina, Chief Mick, Chief Eddie, Chief Olive, Chief Alex, sa lahat ng mga members ng task force ko, who I call amazing people kasi they're very supportive, matalino, masipag, wala kang masabi pagka hindi sila nagre-refuse ng trabaho. Just like most of the prosecutors, lahat ng prosecutors sa OSJPS. Siyempre, I didn't start as task force chief ng drugs. I started as admin. So, nag-start ako with sila Chief Dina, sila Chief Edith, and the staff na dumaan sa akin. I would like to thank sila Pat, sila Ma'am Ate Nympha, si Ate Susan, si Kuya Ping, nawala na, si Alex, si Logan, si G, lahat ng staff na dumaan sa akin. Without them, I wouldn't have an easier time sa aking office. So, haba na, no? What else? Para mga isang oras pa ba? What can I say? Siguro, as parang bilin ko na lang, as an inspiration, I feel na at this point in time, ang OSJPS have improved to the point na masabi ko, it's like a dream team na. Ang galing-galing na, especially with the addition ng mga bago na ang galing ng sumulat. Ang sisipag, pagka meron na kang ipakiusap, they will find a way to help you to make it happen. Especially sa task force ko, ma-appreciate ko talaga sila. Kagagaling lang nila, mag-overnight, mag-inquest, yung mga ganung bagay. And the staff also. So, with that, aalis ako with a very light feeling yan na the OSJPS is in good hands for the department. So, yun lang. Thank you very